this Saturday thundery day. Yes, the thunders are coming. Just a quick update because I've not been on for a while again. I've had a lot going on over the past couple of weeks, and I've actually closed my business, Skelton Autos. So I think the truck's going. I finally managed to get a key for my Q7, which was £400, lovely, but now has a fault. But technically that's sold. My Range Rover's coming back, so I've took that as a Part X, and I'm going to sell that. My trusty BX just keeps on going. Cheapest thing I've ever bought or ever ran and drove. Mint. 30 quid a day. 30 quid a day. £30 a week. £30 a week. So, in order to cut back all my expenses, because I've got far too many, my van, yeah, there's not much left of it underneath. Let's just say that for an MOT. It ain't gonna pass. And the money that I need to put into that, I ain't got. And it needs a clutch. So, I'm gonna take it a bit. I'm gonna strip it, because it's got a good engine in it. Well, it drives mint, but the rust has just taken over. It really has underneath. I've got holes in the back arches, I've got holes in the front arches, but the gearbox, everything just drives absolutely perfect. So I'm going to make a video of me stripping the van. Yeah, the fun enjoys. On another note, it means it can go. That's what's left of my Morris Traveller, because I only wanted the cab. Not really a lot left, is there? I've got the whole front end, which I'm going to put on, and I've managed to find a old Range Rover 3.9 V8 petrol, so I'm going to pick that up when I get some pennies, drag it back, strip it down to the chassis, do some work in the chassis, and then I'm going to build me Morris Traveller flatbed truck 4x4 3.9 V8. Should be awesome. I figured hope she's awesome. All the plans for it are in there. There. Yeah, I'm not very good at writing things down, but hey-ho. So yeah, it's been an eventful couple of weeks. Scrap trade's just died in cars at the minute. A lot of these big app companies are taking over, and they're paying money out for cars that I can never afford. There's just no money in it. In fact, I don't even know how they're making money, but they are somehow. So yeah, I just thought, well, it's time for change. So I closed Skelton Autos. I'm selling everything off, paying all my debts, and we'll just see what goes from there, you know. One day at a time. So I'm going to go and get changed, and then I'm going to start taking this a bit. Happy days. Welcome back. Let's get this off. Soft tap that. That ain't happening. There's something. I know. Jimmy. See? Just like that. That's actually going to be a shame. I see this van go because it's done me proud. It needs too much. It needs far too much. It needs a lot of welding. And it needs a clutch. I can't justify spending the money. I really can't, because I just haven't got it. Little screws, little screws. Gonna miss you. I am. Gonna go and keep all the vans alive. Without me. I've got to take this engine out properly though. like other ones I've done. Usually I just rip them out with my bare hands, you know. Honestly, bare hands. What I should start and see is I'm taking the whole front end off so I can get the engine out. I'm going to sell the radiator, I'll sell the oil cooler, I'll sell the lights. Somebody's coming for the lights apparently. There's loads of bits off this I can sell. And that's how I make my money back. Not back. But I won't lose anything on this van. If you get me drift. I've done all my life. Well. All my tools are in the back of the car over there, by the way. That's why I keep going back and forth. still there? See? If I hadn't had to unplug it by the harnesses and everything else, or it'd be chopped out, angle grinder straight through, it would be down 20 minutes. But no. And rain stops play. It's a bit wet. I am soaking. So it's time to go in. Hey people, day 2. Stop raining. Yeah, sun shining. Is the rain going to come again? I have no idea. But it gives me time to get this engine out. So let's crack on, eh? I'm going to jack it up. I'm going to cut the shafts. I'm not even going to take the shafts out, it's too much hassle. And then just drop the engine and gearbox out the front. Just like that. And then I'm going to rape it for all the rest of the bits and bobs that I want off it. And then tomorrow, just go to the big scrapyard in the sky. Feel a tad bit safer now. Snap. Come on. first. Just so when I pull this off the drive, it doesn't get power steering fluid all the way to the road. That'll be my as well. So we'll cut that, drain it, and then loop it back in itself. Nearly out, boys and girls, nearly out. One, two, three, off. Yelling as well. This is ready to go. So, exhaust is bolt off the turbo. Luckily the two bolts at the back were missing, so that made that bit easier because there is two bolts at the back that hold the cat onto the engine. So that's come out. Just at the 4 bolts at the top. That's dropped. That engine mounts out. This engine mount's ready out. I've cut the drive shaft just for ease more than anything because I don't need the drive shafts. I've taken the bottom mount out, the gearbox, just as a case of disconnecting the gear linkage, and a whole lot of drop. Oh, and rewiring this back onto itself, just so I don't get fluid everywhere. So what I'm going to do is not that because I'm just making a mess. Take this pipe off here and then re-put it back onto that bit so it doesn't spray everywhere. Yeah, that's the one. Sorry, start with myself. Girlfriend's still watching this and I don't know what the fuck's going on. Anyway, I'm talking to the camera. I'm talking to those people out there in the world of internet. What did you fancy for tea, like? Because I ain't buying bacon from friggin' the Quark again.
I was going to try my hand at homemade chicken burgers.
Crispy chicken burgers. They've got the freezer department in there. I don't know what's in there, like.
In where? Corner shop?
Yeah.
Shit. Pizzas, fish fingers, chicken, and it's all expensive. It's like £2 for fucking chicken breast and butter.
Like the shop shut on a Sunday at 4 o'clock. I also remember when shops didn't shut at 4 o'clock on a Sunday because they were all shut. Because you weren't allowed to trade on a Sunday. And the pub shut at 3 o'clock and opened back up at 7. And Wednesday afternoon, the shop was shut half day. I'll pass my driving test on a Wednesday afternoon
Okay.
because the roads were quiet.
I'll leave you and your little friend to it. I've got to go walk the dog as well for my mum. I told you that this morning. Oh, you look like your grandchild there. That was the face he was pulling before because I wasn't dressed in time. To come out and stack stones in the garden with him.
Oh no.
Before we had to go home.
Oh, your shit on.
Right.
We'll go now.
Go away.
I'll do.
Why you didn't want to go?
I'm looking at fatigue.
I'm going to poke you right in your nipple burn.
All for entertainment, guys. Waiting for his coffee. Right. Looks like we're on Aldi. Welcome back after the Aldi trip. Now I can eat. Get this bloody engine out. How are you, bugger? Straight dude. Caught on something. I don't know what it's caught on. Mount. Come on. Just like that. Engine is out. Right. That's out. That's out. Get the cut off. How's your time? See what happens when I start talking. I start losing concentration. And the cat's full. I thought it was empty. That's a bonus. Right, that's it done. Tidy up time now, folks. Put my toes away. And I've got a meeting to go to. Because I go to an AA meeting every Sunday. Sets me up for the week. I know there will be problems. It's mid. Keeps us off the drink anyway. I want to thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you do all the usual things. Share, comment, like, subscribe. Subscription is completely and utterly free. If you want to watch more from me, then click on that button and subscribe. The more comments, the more shares, the more likes, it generates algorithms. Yes. And hopefully at some point, I should be able to get paid for this, so I can bring you more. So, happy days. God bless, and speak to you later, people.